Today I'm very excited because today I would like to say something, one of the most powerful event in the Muslim history. The event is very close in my heart. The event name is the Battle of Badr. Do you know what is the Battle of Badr? Okay, I will tell about the Battle of Badr. It was the first major battle by the Muslim against the disbeliever Quraysh. It took place 117 Ramadan in the second year after Hijri. It was just a battle. It was something spiritual, like between truth and falsehood. At the time, Muslim had a few soldiers, Muslim had a few weapons, Muslim had a few foods, but the Muslim had one of the most powerful person in the world, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Do you know only 313 people and the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam against stood the powerful army, the disbeliever thousand Quraysh. Do you know? What is this? There is a thousand verses to 313 people. Can you imagine? But Muslim have all faith in Allah, trusting Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and believe in justice. That's for reason the battle Muslim owns Muslim were victories. Before the battle, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam made sincere to pray Allah. He said, "Oh Allah, if this group is destroyed today, there will be no one leave the world to worship me." And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayer. And during the battle time, our honorable Sahabas like Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu anhu, Umar radiallahu anhu, Ali radiallahu anhu, and Hamza radiallahu anhu also attacked, and they fought with courage. At the time, the angel sent by Allah also helped the Muslim soldiers in the battle, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is said in the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Imran 123. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, when you have a few soldiers, when you had a few weapons, that time Allah also helped you. And right now we can say, what did we learn the Battle of Badr? The Battle of Badr, we learned the real success, the real victories always come from faith, unity, and sincerity. Without sincerity, without faith, without unity, we cannot achieve any kind of success. It also teaches us the truth always wins. Okay, thank you everyone. Today's discussion is the Battle of Badr. It's little bit. I will tell about next time more details. Assalamu alaikum.